All right, so this customer came in for a 10K service, which is just a tire rotation along with the oil change. We already finished the tire rotation, so we're just gonna lift up the car now and drain the oil, inspect underneath the car and whatnot. All right, all good. So this is the oil pan. We're gonna wanna remove all the old oil. So this is the oil filter. I'm breaking this off so we can get access to it as well because we are changing this along with the O-ring. Here we have the new oil filter right here. It's gonna come with an O-ring along with the filter and the oil drain bolt gasket. So what I like to do while this is draining, I wanna go underneath the car, inspect it, make sure the brakes are good, the tires are good, all the suspension. So let's start with the tires. So I have my tread depth gauge right here. 555, all good. Good. So after I get my readings, I like to go to the paperwork and I write it down. All right, after that, while the oil is still draining, I'm gonna get tire pressure for the car. Double check the tire pressure, make sure there's no leaks or punctures, make sure everything's up to spec. If not, then it can throw a code. This is good. So I'm done. I'm just gonna check the suspension underneath, make sure everything's good. Any play, looseness, anything that's out of place, any brackets that are loose, any loose bolts, any damage on the underside right here. If there was, I would write that in the RO and then mark it down, let the advisor know and let the customer know as well. Looking for tears in the CV boot, any play in the tires, and also any leaks underneath the car. This car is relatively new and low mileage, so there's no leaks or anything to be worried about. All right, the oil's about to be finished draining, so I'm gonna finish up the task. Undoing this oil filter canister, get rid of this old O-ring, lube up the new O-ring, put that right there. Make sure that's seated, clean this off, insert the new paper filter, goes right back in. Tighten this up. Torque spec is like hand tight, about like 16 inch-pounds, all good, nice and tight. Next step is the drain bolt. Here I have the new O-ring, or a little gasket for the drain bolt. Here it is, remove the old one, insert the new one, put it right in there. Torque spec for this is 30 foot-pounds. Make sure it's never loose. Hear that click? Torque to spec. All right, very good. Now, once we're done with that, we wanna make sure we clean our area so there's no residual oil or anything. Wipe this down, like all clean. All right, I get my light out and inspect. All good. Let's move this out of the way. So before I bring down the car, and make sure there's no obstructions or anything blocking the car, preventing it to fall off. So just a quick look. Looks clear to me. Once the car's down, I'm gonna top it off with the oil, double check the oil level, and do the paperwork. Factory spec for this oil change for a drain and oil filter change is gonna be 6.4 quarts. That's 0.20. Before I fill in any oil, I double check the cap. It says 0.20 and this is 0.20 right here. There we go, 6.4 quarts, just like that. Close this up. Oil cap, never forget that. Never, never, never forget that. Check the oil level. Looks good to me. Double check the washer fluid, it's been topped off. Yes, that's good. Coolant's good, brake fluid's good. All right, that's it.